Good day everyone. This video will give you an introduction about Python programming and how to install Python in your computer. So what is Python? Python has recently become one of the world's most popular programming languages. It's used for everything from machine learning to website development and software testing. It can be used by both developers and non developers. Now, Python is a general purpose programming language, which means it can be used for a variety of tasks such as data science, software and web development, automation, and general task completion. So, what are the different uses of Python? Now, Python is widely used in the development of websites and software, as well as task automation, data analysis, and data visualization. Python, or Python's ease of learning, has led to its adaptation by many non programmers, such as accountants and scientists, for a variety of everyday tasks, such as financial organization. Now, Python can be used in data analysis and machine learning, which is used to conduct complex statistical calculations, create data visualizations, build machine learning algorithms, manipulate and analyze data, and complete other data related tasks. Another use is on web development. Now, Python is used in web development to develop the back end of a website or application, the parts that a user doesn't see. Now, Python's role in web development can include sending data to and from servers, processing data, and communication with databases, URL routing, and ensuring security. Another use of Python is automation or scripting. Now, it is used to build this automated process is called scripting, or the process of building an automated process is called scripting. In the coding world, automation can be used to check for errors across multiple files, convert files, execute simple math, and remove duplicates in data. Next, we have software testing and prototyping. Now, Python can aid in tasks like build control, bug tracking, and testing. With Python, software developers can automate testing for new products or features. Another is everyday task. Now, when it means everyday task, it means like, for example, Python can be used to keep track of stock market, send yourself a text reminder to carry an umbrella anytime when it's raining, or update your grocery shopping list. Probably it can use for renaming large batches of files, converting text files to spreadsheets, random assigning chores to family members, and possibly can use Python programming to fill out online forms automatically. So how do we use, or how do we install Python in our computer? Now, there are two versions of Python in the market today. Python 2 and Python 3, which is the latest version. Now, to download Python 3, okay, we'll not go to Python 2 anymore because it is an old version. We'll stick to the new version of Python 3, which can be downloaded, okay, in the python.org/downloads. Okay. So how do we install once we have downloaded the file for installing Python 3? Okay, so here are the different steps, okay, that we will use, or that we will be following when installing Python. I have included here some screenshots so that you will be guided very well on how to install correctly, okay, the Python programming language. Okay, let me zoom in. So the first step is to open. So once you have downloaded the file for Python programming language, okay, you have to open the downloaded Python programming file or installation file. So this is the example of the file. Okay, so once you have downloaded the file, okay, um, all you need to do is to double click the file or simply click the file on the browser, okay, where it displayed the downloaded file. Next step is to click um, customize installation. So this will make sure, okay, that you have checked all the needed files, okay, that you will be using when you start programming your programming when you start programming in Python. Next is the third step is in the cross or in the advanced options. Okay, make sure to select all the boxes except the last two options as shown in the illustration here. Okay, now remember, you may choose to change the location where you want to install Python program in the customize install location. Next is, okay, click install. So in the illustration, it is showing you that the Python programming language is being installed in your computer. And the last two steps, okay, so once um, the installation file has finished installing, okay, as seen in this screenshot, okay, you go to click or you go to disable path length limit, okay. And the last step, okay, which is once you have finished, okay, completely setting up your Python programming language, simply click on the close button. And there you have it. You have finished installing Python language, programming language in your computer system.